whoever this is, I need them to stop calling.
So, this is Freak the Week Monique, and I'm just letting you know we're part of ART, and we're just wondering if you've seen our website yet. It's been up for a couple of weeks now.
Are you aware that... Absolutely not. Are you aware that even if you delete it, the government can go back and bring it back?
I know, and I don't really care. I don't care.
You don't?
I am the government.
You're
have the power. I am the law.
You're such a bullshitter. Go.
Oops. Interrupted again.
The government can go back and bring it back?
I know, and I don't really care. I don't care.
You don't?
I am the government.
You're
I have the power. I am the law.
You're such a bullshitter. Go to hell and stop calling me.
Well, that was it. And you can see that I'm still being harassed by phone. Whoops, it's really happening a lot now. Here, I'll try and block the number. And block. And what I can do is go back into my recent call history. Press the button for copy. Then go to keypad and paste. Now nothing comes up. Let's try the other one. Oh, look at that. The same number that's been harassing me for months. And when I try to dial it back, obviously.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again. Announcement for Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Your call can...